Hey guys, it's here of Yugatech and Happy New Year! HONOR started this new year with a bang, introducing the robust HONOR X9b 5G as the toughest phone in their lineup. They asked us to make a smash test of the device and it really looked like Miguel put it through its paces. You can check that out in our shorts. Launching today, the X9b is well known for its build and durability, but there's much more to it. So in this video, we're going through some of the best features of the HONOR X9b to hopefully help you make a purchasing decision. Let's roll that intro. Marketed as tough from all angles, like I said earlier, the HONOR X9 series is no stranger to durability tests, flooded all over tech social media. And for the most part, we can confirm it's true. Compared to its predecessor, the HONOR X9a, the X9b redefines its design by adding more durability protection and certifications. It now features an IP53 water and dust resistance rating, and its display now gets an SGS 5-star overall drop resistance certification for its ultra bounce anti-drop display. The HONOR X9b also gets a new refined design, featuring a knurled edge circular camera module here at the rear that showcases a triple-rear camera array. Our unit is in this sunrise orange colorway, which is the only one that features a vegan leather rear panel. It's also available in midnight black, emerald green, and titanium silver to fit a bevy of styles. Its volume rocker and power button are situated on the right side, and at the bottom is its dual nano SIM card tray, USB Type-C port for charging and wired data transfers, and loudspeaker. Our next favorite feature is its substantial 5800 mAh battery. The X9b also features a 35-watt supercharge brick in the box, ensuring speedy charging times when you do have to charge up your phone when out and about. But either way, we don't think you would because the battery performance out of the X9b is superb. When ran through our usual battery benchmarks, the HONOR X9b soared high, gaining 14 hours and 8 minutes in PCMark's Work 3.0 battery test, and 23 hours and 47 minutes in our standard video loop test, which translates to great battery life in real-world use, for watching videos all day on those relaxed weekends, sprinkled with light gaming sessions all around. Speaking of display, that's the next best feature. The HONOR X9b 5G 6.78-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. It is on the tall side for hands my size, but the slender form factor and its curved edges make it pretty easy for me to grip with confidence. Either way, streaming movies and watching videos on social media look great on the X9b with good color reproduction and contrast. Moving on to the HONOR X9b 5G's triple-rear camera system as its next best feature. Headlining the show is a 108-megapixel main camera sensor with an aperture of 1.8 and features PDAF, followed by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. In the punch-hole display resides a 16-megapixel selfie shooter that features an aperture of 2.5. Images taken with the main sensor won't be topping DxOMark camera sensor rankings anytime soon, but they're far from unstable. Pictures come out with good clarity in naturally well-lit conditions, and its processing creates very vibrant and contrast shots. The quality tends to fall off in less than optimal lighting conditions, but that's also why you get a flash. For video, the main camera system supports shooting at up to 4K at 30 frames per second, and the front-facing sensor can do 1080p at 30 FPS as well. Compared to its predecessor, the HONOR X9a, the new model elevates its gaming and entertainment capabilities, featuring only 2 configurations at 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, paired with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset featuring an Adreno 710 GPU, which offers the HONOR X9b 5G good overall performance and efficient multitasking capabilities. Being about 1.5 years since its introduction, this chipset is great for stable 60 FPS mobile gaming, optimized for responsiveness. For those interested in our benchmark results, our full written review is up on the Yugatech website. At the time this video was shot, we actually don't have the official Philippine pricing for the HONOR X9b 5G, but we have seen its official Malaysian SRP at 1,499 ringgit for the 12GB configuration, which roughly estimates to around 17,000 pesos. Either way, this makes the HONOR X9b a pretty solid mid-ranger that delivers great durability, battery life, and a real nice display for watching videos and playing games. The HONOR X9b 5G is available for purchase right now For Honor's official online channels, links to that are in the description box below. And that about wraps up this video tackling what we think are the best features for the HONOR X9b 5G. The HONOR X9b 5G combines durability with modern design at an affordable price point, perfect for everyday use. Oh, before we end this video, the team wants me to do a hammer test to highlight the strength of the X9b's display durability. So, Okay, so that's the HONOR X9b. Who needs a knife to cut fruit and a hammer to put nails on the wall when you have this bad boy? If you found this video informative and enjoyable, be sure to drop us a like. Subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on our socials, that's FB, IG, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, I'm CJ, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!